Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 19. I don't know, I'm gonna do vlog every day, but once I put a vlog, but I put Vlogmas. You understand? Vlogmas Day 19. So next year, I'm gonna come out on the Vlogmas next year, life spare. Because life is so short, guys. That's why I enjoy myself. So let's get down into this video. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today video, guys, is basically I'm gonna discuss about how do you look at a baby and tell a baby that his or her grandmother passed away, or mom, or well, a loved one. Let me say a loved one, grandma, and someone close to that child. How do you actually look at a child and say that? For those who don't know, guys, I'm a bit broken right now, you know, because my sister Via's mother-in-law passed away, you know, and it hurt me so much. It is my niece's grandmother. Understand? It hit me so hard, which I didn't know it was gonna hit me like that. You know, even when I'm talking to my sister and she's telling me, like, they went to the store and the baby said, "Oh, mommy, I'm gonna buy this bra for Miss Diana." That's her grandmother that passed away. And she don't even know, because she's such a baby and she don't even understand. So that's what hurt me the most, because imagine you are close to someone as a baby and the person passed and you don't even know what's the meaning of death. You know, you don't know what's the meaning of death. All you know is that every day you wake up, you're just not seeing the person. You know what is going through these kids' head. You know, what would be the outcome? What would be the result? Because remember, kids can't really explain and express their feeling towards situation. You understand? Example, a baby have a headache. Not every baby is gonna talk and say my head hurt. They will cry, and you'll be there. Sometimes you, as a mother, you'll be like, "What wrong with you? Why you just a miserable up so?" But deep down you know now that this baby may be in so much pain. Something is wrong with this child. You know, that's causing the child to cry so much. You know, something is wrong. So the child cries and you may get so irritated by the child and start to get ignorant with the child. So this is the thing that I'm saying, like, we can't read kids, you know, and that's the part of this whole situation that actually hurt me. No one knows I'm gonna do this video, but I was actually taking a shower not too long and I actually break down in tears. Yeah, you know, because this COVID, it is serious, guys. Like, it is very serious. You know, it is serious. It's the first I actually know someone close that passed away from this virus. I'm actually vaccinated. I'm not forcing anybody to take it, and I'm going to take the booster because I don't take 1 and 2. I'm not telling nobody to take it, but I take it. You understand? It is crazy. I know we all have to go one day, but imagine you here with someone today, they just take sick, take them to the hospital, and boom, die. You know? Next thing, you don't even know the kind of treatment like in the hospital. Like these people, they're experimenting so much. You know? And based on stuff that I heard, that people who talk here in America say, like when you don't take the vaccine and you go to the hospital, them treat you different. The person did not pass away in America, so let me clear that here. Allegedly, the person say, well, it's not me. Someone say when you don't take the vaccine and you go to the doctor, they don't treat you the same as the person who take the vaccine. Like them treat you different. You understand? Like if you catch the virus, them blame you. I say, oh, you should have taken the vaccine because so and so and so and so and so. But even though I take it, I don't think it's supposed to be something that they shoot down in one chest. You know? It should not have been something with them force on you, but they're trying to force it, you know? I did not take it because of force, because of no other reason. I take it because I want to take it. I bring my grandmother to take hers, and I was there, and like something just stuck into my head and said, Corey, take it. And that's why I took it. And I take it. I am okay. You understand? First of all, I like to travel and stuff like that, you know? So, I don't want me to go nowhere, like, it ended me. Like, the other day, I was in New York, and I went to this restaurant to eat, you know? And the guy was like, where's the vaccine? Do you take you get vaccinated? And I'm like, yes, I'm fully vaccinated. And he said, I have to see the card. Took out the card, show him, and he said, I have to see your ID. And I take out my ID, show it to him, and he actually matched them. Okay, you know, and him look to make sure say them go together. You understand? So people want to take this thing serious. People them say is a pandemic and all of the word. I don't know what it is out there, but something is out there. You understand? Something is there. Yes, something is out there. You understand? And it is very serious. And a lot of us is not going to take this virus serious until it actually hits our home. You understand? You see, Corbomba take me because I am, even though I'm doing this video, I'm very depressed right now. You understand? I'm just trying to hold out from breaking down. Something is there and it is serious, guys. You understand? We don't know what it is, but something is there that is killing us. If the vaccine or something where them a put chip in you or whatever. First, if you live in America, people, or any one of these places, you feel you can hide in America. You have a social security. You join the bank, you have this, your race, your whatever, all of these things. First of all, people, they can use your name or your number and pull up everything about you. You understand? Where you live, where your family, where you decide that. You can't hide in America. If they want you in America, you cannot hide in this country. I don't know about other country, but I know about you. So when someone are worried about, oh, I check them, I put in our body, and these smartphones that we use, one of the things say, if them want whatever, them can get through the phone them. Come on, people. You understand? Come on. I see people they have them good jobs. Them good job. You understand? And them a give up them career just because they don't want to take the vaccine. I still not tell nobody to take it, but I just say, oh, it's a plan, and them a try this, and them a try that, and them a try whatever, and them a try whatever. You understand? But now I go have my job and give it up. Just because, listen to people, remember them could have lied to we, you know. Them could have lied to we and say, make it look like it a go work, and you can't get sick by taking it, right? But them make you know. That's why them say the boots are now. You take the boots because when you take the boots it will help with the new strain coming. I don't know if it's true or what. You understand? But me would have never give up my good career just because I don't want to take a vaccine. Sorry, because I'm not going hungry. Not going hungry. I'm not gonna be ignorant about it. I'm not force nobody to each his own. But I have to eat, I'm a light live. You understand? But the moral of this whole thing that I do, people wake up. It is serious than we think. And a lot of people would have talked about this vaccine and they influence some uno not to take it. Them take it undercover and uno know so them take it. Remember me telling you. Smart, get smart and wise up, people. Let me repeat it again. Enough of them people, yeah, who they tell us say and they talk about vaccine, them take it. But them nah make uno know say them take it. Uno hear what I say? Yes. Enough of them take it. But them not tell nobody. So them take it. I remember when I just did the vaccine. I know this person, like, him say, is one of my friend. He's a male friend. How they had this party and thing. I said, I'm taking vaccine today. No? The man run. I'm actually run, guys. And I was like, huh? Him say, you know what I'm saying? If you say the people who take it, they give people they give people the virus. You understand? And yes, the people that will take it, they give people the virus. That was like crazy. And the same person run from me, him brother. When I tell him take it, he said, huh? I feel safe to stand up beside you because you take the vaccine. Even though I not take it, but at least I know you can't give me the disease. So you see, two of them are brother, but two of them have two different thoughts on the whole thing. You understand? This thing is serious. It is serious. Stop going like say someone who not have sense. Like someone who say, oh, not real, and it is real. It is real as real. Something out here, we don't know why it is. Can remember say this disease and them give it name. Then just give it a name. But it is something is out here. You understand? And it not playing. It not playing. It a wipe left, right and center. I know this this other person used to say, oh, me, man, not take the vaccine, I'm gonna never take it. You see, when he hit his mother and his father, his mother and father get sick. And then when they got doctor and they say a COVID, and then they sick real bad. At the same day when them parents them admitting go find the first pharmacy and take the vaccine. Guys, I just feel like say because the all the world around them go spite we. And there gonna be pressure. Because they're gonna make it just sooner or later. You know what's gonna happen? They're gonna make it mandatory where you have to take it to do anything at all. And guess what? It's gonna be expensive. That's just my take, what I think. I think that just now, you say them get free and pay money for people to take it. That's just the part I mean I understand why them are pay if you take it. You understand? But anyway, you see, when them enough people get it, when them want to get it, because me, I want them to take it, you know. So I'm not going to pray. So if I treat them, put it on me or whatever, I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing illegal or nothing wrong. So them can do chip all they want chip. Then just not chop. But anyway guys, just go and big up on yourself. You understand? I just feel for my niece. That's why I'm gonna talk all this. I feel for her when my sister say she asked her grandmother, you know. She asked, I mean, I'm going down by Miss Diana. You know, and the fact that she just don't understand what that is. So it doesn't even make no sense just say, oh, she dead. Because what is dead? To her baby. She don't know. You know? But anyway, guys, you don't know. Big up on yourself. This is Vlogmas Day 19. Bye guys, I am out.